Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. Today I completed a few of these beautiful dolled up bibs and I wanted to show them to you. So a few months ago, a friend of mine from Australia came to visit, and she is quite handy with the sewing machine. And she brought to life an idea that I have had for a few years. So I have a dolled up bibs crochet pattern, which I will link in the description box, and it is now a free download. So it will give you the crochet instructions to create these beautiful collars. You can see they have 2 buttons at the back, and so the way that these are designed, they can be adjusted to fit either a baby or a toddler. So you just button through the second button if you wanted a wider neckline. So these were crocheted using worsted weight cotton and an H hook, and you just make the collars, and then you can either follow the instructions in the pattern for the crocheted bibs. I think there are 3 different styles, or you can do something like this where you just basically sew them to fabric bibs. So my friend made me a few different styles with just some different cotton that I had, and she added some lace. So she made like a circular one, a bit of a square one, and also just more of a pleated one, I think, and also this one here. So it's quite fun. You can use some different cotton fabrics to create some really pretty bibs, and the collars themselves work up pretty quickly, probably less than an hour each one that you make, quite quick. You just need to sew the buttons on and just sew them, attach them to the actual bibs. So you can try this pattern if you're interested. I will again link the pattern in the description box, and you can either make the fully crocheted bibs, or you can try making these crocheted collars and creating some beautiful bibs for baby or toddler.